Lourdes Chica, nakakatiyak ka ba na may magandang wakas kayo ni Belle? Donnie? Saad niya, oh yes, sa ngayon, magpo-focus muna kami on the season we're in right now, na magkanya-kanya muna. And maybe someday, when the timing finally feels right, we'll meet as two people who are in longer trying to survive life, but finally ready to enjoy it together. Hindi na kami magiging almost, hindi na kami magiging lesson lang. By the time healed na kami, stable na kami, and the only thing we'll argue about is kung saang bansa na kami pupunta next. And honestly, ang sarap isipin na somewhere in this world, may taong dahan-dahan ding naghahanda para sa future na kasama ako. At si Belle yun.